Well guys, welcome back to Semper Fi Mechanic. My name's Thomas. Today's a little bit different. We got a package in the mail, so we got a new code reader that came in, and we're gonna do a review on it. Let's see here. Now this is from Ancel. We've done a review before on I think it was the 8610 Plus, but that was a while ago. We're gonna do a little review, and then I think we'll give this one away. We got a discount code at the end. The discount code is Thomas Mays. The discount code and everything, you can get this for less than 150 bucks. Let's see the features and benefits. Read and clear codes on the engine, transmission, ABS, and airbag. So the 4 systems. Displays live PCM data stream and O2 sensor test. Generic and manufacturer specific codes, both permanent and pending. Here's a good thing right here. Graph, record, and replay data in full color. Let's move this over here so we can have some more room. Here's my little desk right here. I leave it on the side of the house, and this is where I open all my new little packages. All right, here we go. Let's get this opened here. Now, I got pretty big hands actually too. This fits in real nice. Wow, I like that. I don't know if you can see that. Let's get in here. There's your micro SD, your memory card you can put right there. USB port. This is your main cord right here. Plugs in. Nice little grips on it. It's like holding a remote, like when you used to play video games and shit. Take this off. Let's see what else we got. So we got the cord. It comes with the cord. This is so you can hook it up to the computer, you know, when you do updates, things like that. What's this little gadget right here? I don't even know what half the shit is. I guess that's why we got a book, huh? I'm not the best reviewer. I do it just more like a normal person. Like you just open it up and you kind of figure shit out as you go. I mean, I think that's how most people are. So if you want a professional review, you might want to move on because you ain't getting that here in Semper Fi Mechanic. We are not professionals in any way. Professional bullshitter, that's about it. Yeah, all this shit, I'm getting confused here. That ain't how we do it. All we do is grab it and then we put it together. Let's not overcomplicate it. Simply get it, plug it into the car, and let it read some codes, see what's going on with them. Oh, look, I got it dirty already. I'm sorry, guys. Whoever I'm giving it away to, I'll clean it up. This will be nice, though, for somebody. I will randomly pick somebody, and I will ship it to you. You ain't got to pay for nothing. All right, let's go hook it up to the Black Beauty, the Honda. All right, just pop this cap off. This is just a safety cover. This is pretty good. I'd keep that. That way we can protect this. And then we're going to plug it in. Here's ours right here. Let's see. All right, we got a setup here. This big gut comes in handy. I can just set my phone on there and record it. Look, you can even see me in the reflection. Look, sitting on my gut. Let's see here. So we got it plugged in. So we got diagnosis, settings, and help. Man, I got this motherfucker dirty, didn't we? I am sorry for whoever wins this. I swear to God, I'll clean it up. All right, how do we work? It's like a video game. Here we got some arrows. This is good at diagnosis. And we'll press, is this enter? Nope, wasn't enter. What about this? Bam, yep. This one right here is enter. This one's back. I don't know what that is. We'll figure it out. Let's do this one right here, OBD. Processing, entering system. So it's doing its thing right now. Oh my God, what all these fails, look. Shit, and you wonder why I'm asking for money for a truck, look. All right, so mill status on, let's see, 3 of them. Let's check these out, where they at. Read codes, that's what we need. O2 sensor, heater circuit, bank 1, sensor 1. See, it says 1 out of 5, so we got 5 of them. And here's the code number, P0135. Use a little arrow, go over. P0141. O2 sensor, heater circuit, bank 1, sensor 2. All right, so we got bank 1, sensor 1, and bank 1, sensor 2. All right, well, we got P2185. Engine coolant temp sensor. So it looks like we got to replace that. Let's see. Okay, it repeated the code. And repeated the code. So really we have 3 codes. So we got bank 1, sensor 1, bank 1, sensor 2, and then the engine coolant temp sensor. Now what is this? It's hail. I hate my life right now. Jesus Christ. This is just one of them things. The more you mess with it, the more you learn. But what's good about this is it has the ABS sensor, also the airbag. A lot of the cheap ones, you can't look at them systems. Try diagnosis one more time. Scan again. Oh, look at that. Honda. V2. Honda. I have no idea what's going on right now. They send me this stuff. This is exactly what I do if I buy a code reader. I don't really look at the instructions, you know, it's just going to confuse me anyway. I plug it in and I start messing with it to figure it all out. Basically, across the line, there's a lot that they have a lot of the similarities. They do the same things. What makes this different than some of the other ones that are cheaper? See, ABS, airbag. Let me check my ABS. Yeah, read some trouble code. What do I got going on? What's that? I can't even see. Battery voltage failure. What? What are you talking about? See, I shouldn't even done this. Now I'm going to be worried all day. That's not good, is it? I don't like that, bro. Let's, I'm going to clear that on out of that bad boy. I'm about scared to look anything else. Seat belt restraint. Okay, trouble code. Do we have anything going on here? Let's see. Open in the driver's seat belt buckle switch. I guess. Whatever, bro. But thanks for letting me know. But see, that's the stuff a lot of these regular ones can't do. Let's clear it. See if it'll go away. It's been cleared. Check it out. If you buy this, I don't even know if I get a kickback or anything. I swear to God. So it doesn't matter if you buy 100 or buy none. But if you're looking for something that covers a wide array, this is like a mid-level code reader. And with my discount, you know, you can get something that's pretty nice for less than $150. All right, well, we got the car turned on now, so let's see if we can read some live data. View graphic items. Let's check that out. Go down to coolant. We know that one's messed up, so let's hit that. See, check that one. It's going to probably do, like I said, it says graphics, so it's going to put it in where you can view it actually going up and down like that on a graph. So let's grab something else here. Engine RPM. That way you guys can just see what's going on. All right, here we go, I think. There we go, so I couldn't even see where it was at. All right, so red is engine coolant temp sensor, and the blue is the RPM. And now you can see it graphic. Let me rev it up, and you can see it spiking, the blue, because that's the RPMs. And then it shows the numbers over here. I wish you could see this. What is going on? It's gonna be the worst video ever. Whatever, though. So see, you can graph stuff out and read it in real time and record all this so you can go back and check it out. We test the evap system test. We pressed enter. It ran this little test. Evap system test. Leak test passed. So we ain't got no leaking. So listen, guys, basically it's a good mid-level code reader. Like I said, once you put Thomas Mays in as when you check out the discount code, that'll bring it under 150 bucks. I think it's about 168 without the code. So it's like 180 with taxes. So it'll save you a little bit of money. For the majority of people watching this video, it'll do everything you need it to do with your vehicle. Would I recommend it? Yeah, I mean, it's a good piece of equipment for the money. All right, guys, that's it. If you like today's video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. We're at about 2,300. Our next goal is getting to 2,500. Also, if you'd like to donate to the channel to help me out, help getting the work vehicle out, or just support the channel at all, I'll have my Cash App and Venmo across the screen. Down in the video description, it'll have it again. Also with PayPal and a couple other ways that you can send money. Right now we're going to get the work vehicle fund, but we can use it for numerous ways. New equipment, things like that. But if not, all is well. And like I always say, Semper Fi till next time.